Say hi to the camera.
I remember you saying, I can't.
Oh, you kitty. Oh, God.
I pushed for 3 hours
So
and 44
cute.
minutes.
That's a long
I'm
time.
just pushing.
Oh, God, you look angry. Oh, God. But you're just a cute sweetie. You like the purr.
I know.
But you're
You're
better
so
for it.
cute, aren't you? Yes, you are.
And then I had
Hey,
my
kitty. You're so cute.
Oh, I picked you up from there. I remember that.
And how many times did we go back to the ER? Because you were so much
I was in so much pain. Yeah, that was one of the worst.
What? I didn't. I just filmed a little kitty Winnie.
Don't ever have them out. Then we go.
Yeah, guys, get a kitty Winnie. But you should get a dog too because this thing. Look. Okay.
He had him twice.
Look.
And then he gave him to me, and that's when I found out I was pregnant with Aiden.
Turns
And I
into
went to
that.
the ER, and they said, well, we
To
have
that.
to do a pregnancy test. And I said, okay. They're like, well, you're positive for chickenpox and you are
That's
pregnant.
what
And I'm
a
like,
cute kitty looks like.
okay. Wait.
But did you have,
Tick box.
had you had chicken pox?
No. This is my first time
That's
getting
very
it at
dangerous.
20 years old.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's more dangerous.
Oh, God. Where are you
Yeah,
going?
especially
Where are you
because
going? I'm recording a video.
Right.
They
you
can
are?
mess up their limbs.
What?
I don't even know, actually.
Baby's lip.
For your YouTube
Yeah.
video?
So
Yeah, it goes on
Channel?
my, yeah,
Else, I didn't do
it goes on my account, YouTube.
In this country or you came here?
I don't really know what to do, but just pet this kitty with oh, you're so cute.
Jaden's so funny. Yesterday he goes, wait. He's like, you mean to tell me? He's like, I'm German? I'm like, yes.
What's doing?
The percentage of you is more than half. That's guaranteed.
Are you still recording?
Yeah? What do you
He's
think?
like, am I at least
I'm
5?
recording
I'm like,
you.
"Oh, more than 5%." Because
25.
He's good, yeah, because I'm 75.
Is your mom's German?
My mom has German and Irish. And he's 100%. and
Well,
he has kids.
This is the end of the video, people. I don't really know how to end this, so I'm gonna end it with Kitty Witty. Well, I'm gonna try to end it with Kitty Witty. Bye bye. Bye bye.